Welcome to another stock analysis video. Pero bago tayo magsimula sa stock analysis natin, let's check first the current status of the Philippine market. First, check natin yung direction ng market. And to check this, I will use the 50-day moving average, itong blue line na makikita natin dito. And from here, I could identify the direction of the market based from what conditions I set to identify yung direction ng market. Overall kasi yung PSE chart generally shows the status of the overall market performance and directions. So in this chart, makikita natin na candlesticks is on the bearish side, based from where the candles are showing, which is below the 50-day moving average. These candlesticks. So nasa baba siya ng 50-day moving average, which means for us that it is on the bearish side. And looking sa chart from the last candlestick, makikita natin na may recovery si Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Meron siyang upward movement direction based from the last candlestick of the PSEI. Pero still bearish pa rin siya kasi below 50-day moving average siya. Pero going upward na siya. And hopefully, in the coming days, it will be able to cross the 50-day moving average and hopefully we be able to see a bullish direction or uptrend direction for the coming weeks. So for our analysis natin, we will analyze the Philippine National Bank for our stock analysis for this video. So PNB is one of the outlier stocks of the week. Even the general sentiment of the market is bearish, PNB still shows strong bullish movement. Kita natin to sa candles, how it shows na it is above the 50-day moving average. So for this analysis, we will use the Darvas box to identify yung entry points for the stock and how we use the Darvas box tool for us to be able to decide our entry point, especially if we are able to spot this particular stock. So, ang una natin titingnan dito yung initial entry niya from the 50-day moving average or crossing the 50-day moving average. So, in this part, dito yung pinaka-entry niya. Makikita natin nung February of 2024. So, ang una natin gagawin is to plot the Darvas box. So for us to be able to plot the Darvas box, kailangan natin maghanap ng support and resistance using the Darvas box tool. So in this scenario, bago tayo mag-entry, we will find when it crosses the 50-day moving average. So in this case, pwede natin magamit itong unang candle to nung January 2024. So we will find yung pinaka top of the box. So here, pwede natin i-plot yung Darvas box dito. Pero ito nga, ito makikita natin dito is though nagkaroon siya ng cross nung top of the box, pero maliit na box lang siya. So nagkaroon din siya ng rejection dito on this candle. So bumalik ulit siya sa baba. So this is failed Darvas box. So maghahanap ulit tayo ng panibagong entry, which is this one, this next candle. So from this candle, ipa-plot lang natin yung top. This will be the top of the box and this will be the bottom of the box. Yung bottom ng box, ito yung set sa atin as our cut loss point or stop loss. Then yung top ng box, ito yung magiging entry point natin. So in this particular example, maghihintay lang tayo ng pullback or correction. So this red candle will be the correction. And maghihintay lang tayo ng mag-crush siya nung above nung sinet natin na top of the box ng Darvas. So in this example, ito yung magiging entry candle. Then cut loss would be the bottom of the box. Kaya ito yung possible entry. So even though bumaba siya dito, you can still hold this stock kasi hindi pa naman siya nagko-cross dun sa bottom ng box, which will be our support or cut area, cut loss or stop loss area. So for example, hindi naman kayo nakapag-entry dito, where would be the next good entry would be, and magse-set lang tayo ulit ng panibagong box. So unang kailangan natin mag-identify ng support. So this one, hindi natin ito ma-consider na support kasi breakdown pa siya dito. So ang pinaka-support na makikita natin would be this point. So ito yung magiging support niya kasi nagkaroon ng bounce dito. And maghahanap tayo nung pinaka naging resistance niya. So in this scenario, nagkaroon siya ng red candle, sumunod na red candle ulit. So hindi pa natin ma-consider to na entry points natin. Maghihintay muna tayo ng pullback or correction. So nagkaroon ng pullback and correction dito sa red candle na to. So maghihintay lang tayo, maghanap tayo ng entry point when it crossed the top of the candle, top of the Darvest box. So ang top ng Darvest box niya would be this red candle. So dito pwede ka na mag-entry. Then exit mo dito sa bottom ng Darvest box na pinlat natin. So yan, continuous lang din. Even magbalik siya dito sa inside gloomy box, it is still okay as long as it didn't hit the bottom of the box. So yung pwedeng entry dito, then possible pwede kang mag-add ulit ng shares once it's crossed the top of the box. So magkakaroon ka ng additional shares. And ito yung pwede mong gamitin na decision conditions for you to be able to add more shares dito sa in particular stock, which is the Philippine National Bank, if you are able to spot this stock. So ganun din on this scenario. For example, dito maghahanap pala ng the pinaka naging resistance niya. Then entry niya will be the breakout of the top of the box. Set mo yung cut loss dito, then entry here. So yun, so far si Philippine National Bank is very bullish. Nasa above siya ng 50-day moving average. Nagkaroon pa na siya ng mga breakout dito. So we'll see sa mga darating na araw kung kailan siya magkakaroon ng reversal or kailan siya magkakaroon ng probably sideways niyan in the coming days. So yung exit, yan depende na lang yung exit. Either you set a target price, you set a percentage, or take profit area. Sa exit, medyo kanya-kanya na tayo doon. We can use the 50-day moving average as our exit point. Hanggat hindi na-hit yung 50-day moving average, we will still hold the stocks that we have. And magsisell lang siya pag magkakross siya ng 50-day moving average. Ayun lang. So ayun lang for this video. So if you have any requests or stocks that you would like us to analyze, just share it in the comment section. See you on the next video.